Hello students. Yes, gone through the 3 stanzas of the poem Mr. Nobody. I hope you must have enjoyed the 3 stanzas because you also used to do such things which Mr. Nobody has done in this poem. No one ever comes to know that who has done it, but you know that you are the one who has done that. So sometimes you also become mischief maker just like Mr. Nobody. So let us continue with the poem and let us finish it. So Mr. Nobody, we have done first, second and third stanza. Now we are on the last stanza. That is, the finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. The ink we never spill, the boots that lying round you see are not our boots, they all belong to Mr. Nobody. In the last stanza, the poet is saying that the finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. That when you see or you get the finger marks or fingerprints on the door, if someone has the finger marks on the door, those are not done, that is not by us, those are not our finger marks, but who has done that? But Mr. Nobody's. Those are the fingerprints, those are the finger marks of Mr. Nobody, and not none of us has made those marks. We never leave the blinds unclosed. What are the blinds, students? You might have seen we have curtains on the doors and windows, but other than the curtains on windows, we have slided, you can see, just like curtains, that is sliding. We can open it, we can close it. That is known as blinds. That is basically, it is used, or it is a type of screen for a window that can be rolled. Sometimes we can roll it, sometimes we can take it upside, so upside or downwards. So that is known as blinds. So he is saying we never leave the blinds unclosed. Means we always close them, we always shut those blinds. Why? So that the curtain should not get faded. But here, to let the curtains fade, but someone is leaving those blinds unclosed. And who is he? He is, of course, Mr. Nobody. He is leaving that. The ink we never spill ink here and there in the room. The boots that lying around you can see in the room, the boots are lying here and there, are not our boots. But you should know that even these boots are not our boots. ये boots हमारे हैं ही नहीं. They belongs to whom? Of course, yes, to Mr. Nobody. They all belong to Mr. Nobody. So one thing is clear from this poem, you might have come to know about Mr. Nobody, that he is an invisible man, he is a funny little man, and he is responsible for all the mischief in the house. Whatever is being done, according to the poet, that is not being done by any other member of the family, but only by Mr. Nobody. So only Mr. Nobody is responsible for everything. And what is the speciality? The main thing is that no one has ever seen his face. Even then, everyone agrees that whatever wrong is being done in the house, that is being done by Mr. Nobody. Because no one is ready to take the responsibility in the house. And things are being done, the mess is being created in the house, but no one is ready to take responsibility. So they all say that yes, it is Mr. Nobody whom we could not see, but he is there and he is creating all the mess. I hope you have understood the poem. Now one important thing I have to tell you, that is the rhyming scheme of the poem, that I'll tell you in my next video.